Hi, everyone. Welcome to Everyday Real English from Real Life podcast.
Welcome to Real English Podcast. I'm Annie.
And I'm Brendy. Please like, subscribe, and share the Real English Podcast with your friends.
So today we are diving into something everyone is thinking about this time of year.
Oh yeah, holiday shopping.
Exactly. And all the English you need to, survive it.
Right. And you might be thinking, well, Black Friday is over, so the big sales are done.
Mm-hmm.
But that's not really true anymore. The deals, they keep going. We're going to cover Cyber Monday, extended sales, and all the phrases you need for Christmas gift shopping.
And we're going to keep it super simple. We'll use easy words, go slowly, and give you lots of practical examples you can actually use.
Let's get started.
Okay, so first things first, let's talk about the big words you'll see everywhere. Sales, discounts.
Right. So a sale. What is a sale? It's pretty simple. It just means you can buy something for a lower price than usual.
The products just cost less money for a short time.
Exactly.
And a discount is very similar, right?
It is. A discount is the actual reduction in price. Like when you see a sign that says 50% off.
That 50% off is the discount.
Precisely. And that leads to our next words. A bargain or a deal.
Ah, my favorite words.
Mine too. A bargain or a deal is just a really, really good offer. Something that saves you a lot of money. You feel like you've won.
Yeah, that feeling when you find a great deal, it's the best.
So a really useful question you can ask in a store, especially after a big shopping day, is about the deals.
Like, how do you know if the price is still low?
You can just ask, is this still on sale?
Simple. I like it.
Yeah, and stores often have what they call holiday promotions or extended sales. This means the low prices last for weeks, not just one day.
That's a great tip. Okay, 2 more really good questions to know. First one is, do you price match?
Ooh, this is a good one. What does that mean?
It means if you find the same item for a cheaper price at another store, you can ask them to sell it to you for that same low price.
So they match the price.
Exactly. And the second one is the discount applied at checkout?
Right, because sometimes you don't see the final price until you're ready to pay.
Especially online.
Okay, let's do a quick practice. This is a great phrase to remember.
Repeat after me. I always look for a bargain.
Pause.
One more time. I always look for a bargain.
Pause.
Great.
All right, ready for a little role play?
Let's do it. I'll be the customer. You be the store clerk.
Sounds good.
Excuse me. I saw this jacket on your website during the Black Friday sale. Is it still available at that price?
Oh, that was a popular one. Let me see. Unfortunately, that specific Black Friday deal is over.
Oh, okay. That's too bad.
But I can tell you that our main holiday discount starts next week, and this jacket will probably be included.
Oh, really? Okay. Thanks for the heads up.
All right, let's move on to actually shopping for gifts. This can be tricky.
So tricky, especially when you don't know what to get.
So to start, you need to get someone's attention. A polite way is just, excuse me, can you help me find a gift?
Yeah, that's a perfect opener. Then you can be more specific. You can say, I'm looking for a gift for my friend or for my teacher, whoever it is.
Right. And then comes the money part. It's totally okay to set a budget. You can ask, do you have something under $50?
That is so helpful for a store clerk. And if you're really stuck, you can ask about the most popular items.
Oh, yeah. Just ask, what are your best sellers? Bestsellers are usually a safe choice.
Okay, so you found a possible gift, but maybe you're not sure about the color.
A super common situation. You can ask, do you have this in a different color?
Or a different size.
Yep. Or even more simply, does it come in other colors?
And another thing to look for during the holidays are bundle deals or gift sets.
Ah, yes, the prepackaged gifts.
Exactly. They put a few small things together in a nice box. You can ask, is this part of your holiday gift set?
Okay, role play number 2.
Ready. You're the customer this time.
Okay. Hi there. I need some help. I'm looking for a gift for my son's teacher. Something thoughtful, but, not too expensive.
Of course, we get that question a lot. A really popular and safe choice is a nice scented candle. Or we also have small gift cards for the coffee shop next door.
Ooh, a gift card is a great idea. I think I'll go with that. Thank you.
Okay, 2 final very important things when you're buying a gift.
Yes, these are key. First, you can ask, do you offer gift wrapping?
It saves so much time.
It really does. And second, and maybe most important, the gift receipt.
The gift receipt, this is a must. You need to ask, can I get a gift receipt?
What's a gift receipt for anyone who doesn't know?
It's a special receipt that doesn't show the price. So if the person needs to return the gift, they can do it easily and they won't see how much you spent.
It's a lifesaver.
Okay, let's practice that gift wrapping phrase.
Repeat after me. Do you offer gift wrapping?
Pause.
Again. Do you offer gift wrapping? Perfect. All right, let's shift to online shopping. Cyber Monday is huge, and a lot of us do our shopping from our computers.
For sure. So let's define a few key terms. First, the shopping cart. Right. This isn't a real cart you push. It's the virtual place on a website where you put your items before you buy them.
Exactly. And once your cart is full, you need checkout.
And checking out just means you're completing the process. You're putting in your information and paying.
So the sequence is, first I add the shirt to my shopping cart, then I check out.
Now, a common problem online is when an item you want is gone.
The worst feeling.
Yeah.
The phrase for this is sold out.
Or you might see out of stock. They mean the same thing. The store has no more of that item.
Right. So you might say to a friend, I wanted to buy that, but it says it's out of stock.
And a good follow-up question for the company's customer service is, when will it be restocked?
Which just means, when will you have more?
I noticed you used the word but in that example.
I did.
I wanted the shirt, but it was sold out. We use but to show a contrast or a problem. It connects two different ideas.
That's a great little grammar tip. It's so common in everyday speech.
It is. I wanted the big television, but it was too expensive.
I tried to pay with my card, but they only accepted cash. See? It's everywhere.
Let's talk about payment and delivery. When you're in a physical store, you can ask.
Can I pay by card?
Yep. Or you can mention cash or contactless payment, too.
And for online orders, the big worry is delivery.
Oh, absolutely. So you'll want to ask, how do I track my order?
And if there's a problem, you might have to say, my package hasn't arrived yet.
Hopefully you won't need that one, but it's good to know.
Okay, time for our next practice pause. Let's do that payment phrase.
Repeat after me. Can I pay by card? Let's do it again. Can I pay by card? Nicely done. All right, our final segment. The holidays are over, the dust has settled, and now you have a sweater that's 2 sizes too big.
Uh-oh. It's time for returns and exchanges.
And it's important to be polite about it.
Very important. The best way to start is just by saying, I'd like to return this, please.
Simple, polite, direct. Then you might need to explain why.
And you don't need to be rude and say, I hate this gift.
Please don't say that.
No. Just say something like, it was a gift, but it doesn't fit. Or, it's the wrong color.
That's perfect. Now you have 2 main options, a refund or an exchange.
A refund means you get your money back. An exchange means you swap the item for something else.
So you could say, can I exchange it for a different size?
Exactly. And a very important question to ask is about the store's policy.
You could ask, what's the return window? The return window is the amount of time you have to bring an item back, like 30 days.
Okay, one last role play. You have a gift to return.
And you're the clerk again. Okay. Hi, I'd like to return this shirt, please. It was a gift, but it's a little too big for me.
No problem at all. Do you have the gift receipt?
Yes, I do.
Perfect. Thank you. Now, since it was a gift, I can't give you a cash refund, but I can offer you an exchange for the correct size, or I can give you store credit.
Oh, store credit. What's that?
It's like a gift card for our store. You can use it to buy anything you'd like.
An exchange for a smaller size would be great. Thank you.
Okay, let's practice that essential first line for returns.
This one is so useful.
Repeat after me. I'd like to return this, please. One more time. I'd like to return this, please.
Pause.
Excellent.
Wow, we have covered so much ground today.
We really have.
We talked about sales and discounts, then shopping for gifts,
Then online shopping and checkout.
and finally, how to handle returns and exchanges after the holidays.
Before you go, don't forget to review today's free PDF worksheet. Practice a little bit every day, and you will improve your English faster than you think. You're doing great, and we're proud of you.
That's so true. Every little bit of practice helps. We hope this deep dive makes your holiday shopping a little bit easier and a lot less stressful.
And please remember to like, subscribe, and share the Real English podcast with your friends.
Goodbye for now.
Goodbye, everyone.